guys, so I have started a quick anthropology series, and today I would be explaining epidemiological anthropology. Yes, I'm not going to define what is epidemiological anthropology, but I would be telling you what should be the right approach to deal with different topics in anthropology, that is quick. Okay, now epidemiological anthropology deals with health, nutrition, longevity, fertility, infertility, overall health of human beings. Here we do have topic that is aging, theories of aging. In some other videos, I would be explaining that in detail. Today, I like to show you interlinkages. Okay. Now, if a question is coming on theories of aging, you must have heard about wear and tear theory. I will explain if you do not have. And definitely Maslow hierarchy. Okay, Maslow hierarchy. These are two important fundamental theories in epidemiological anthropology. See, you must think that why does aging affect not only guys your body, but also the way you think. Okay, so it's just not about that you are having some fats in your body if you are unfit, but that is definitely something you should work on. If you are having disproportionate fat in your body, that means you need to do something. You do have a belly fat, you have a fat on your cheeks, you have a fat anywhere, any part of your body, and it is not as per your height. For example, if I am 5'5", so my weight should be something. So body mass index, this is something very crucial if you really want to be fit. Okay, and if you're not physically fit, that means you're also not mentally fit. We'll talk about that later on. But here you need to understand, when you are aging, it is not only physical changes, but it is also mental changes. Now, to understand this, you do have two theories, wear and tear theory and Maslow hierarchy. Now, we also have to see the two perspectives. So, wear and tear theory is biological one. Okay, I want all of you to make this note. Whereas Maslow hierarchy, I can say it is philosophical, it is social, it is with respect to the way you are thinking. Okay, now this theory, the biological theory, I hope people can see my board. So this theory actually telling as the gradual accumulation of damage and stress in cell. Okay, all gradual accumulation of damage and stress in cells. Okay, so if your body is constantly having these pressures in your life, definitely you will see stress in cells and also definitely in tissues. What will happen? You will see that it is actually going to have repeated exposure on that. Now, what you have to see, think of the body like a machine. If your body is continuously functioning, there has to be a microscopic damage. When you will see a microscopic damage, you will see that it would reduce repair capacity and gradually decline. So this is what you will see. So the aging is not simply about chronological age. It involves cumulative loss of living. This is what you will see. Then you have a Maslow hierarchy. In this Maslow hierarchy, what you will see, as people age, these are changes in health, these are changes in income, these are changes in social roles and family relationships. Okay, now you will see that there are different requirements at different stages. Now, when you people are combining these two theories, you will definitely see that what is your biological expectations and what is your social expectations. So one should take care of both aspects, body parts and also your needs, that social needs that you accumulate in your head. Now together, if we are taking care of your body and also about your feelings, emotions, your requirement, that would eventually leads to healthy life. This is how one should create interlinkages with respect to epidemiological theory or with the theories of aging. So once you people realize that you are preparing for civil services, you need to have interlinkages approach. And this similar example you can explain to defend how anthropology is biosocial in nature. Thank you.